Okay, so quite a few of you have asked me about the waterfall twist, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Um, if this video doesn't help, click the link down there to Makeup by Mandy 24. I got this video idea from her. She shows it really well, so if this doesn't help you, because it probably won't, because it's not that good, go to her link and make sure you subscribe to her. Thanks. Okay, so depending on the thickness of your hair is depending on how many bob pins you need. I usually only need two, so that's all I have. One, two, one, two, one, two. If you have thicker hair, obviously gonna need a lot more. You could even probably use a little clip. If you have thinner hair, you may need one, you may need more. It really just depends on your head and your preference. Okay, so you're gonna start off brushing this whole part of your hair and straight and flattening it down. You're gonna grab a first chunk about this size and you're gonna grab it tight and twist one, twist two. Two times, just twice. Very tight. Then you're gonna take up this piece of hair right here. So you have your twisted piece and your non-twisted piece. And you're going to just cross them over. You're gonna let go of your twisted piece. I like to hold it in my mouth because it holds it tighter. So I'm gonna do that, so I'm gonna kind of be mumbling for the next few parts. But basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna repeat it, but don't twist it too tight to the time. You're just gonna cross them over.
Who's in the bathroom?
Bailey? And it's gonna look like. And I'm just gonna take your bobby pins. And that's how it goes. And so this is what it looks like. It's a lot easier if you're doing it on someone else. Because they can hold the hair for you. Not that. So it's a lot easier. I'm gonna try to get a new video up where I'm doing it on someone else so you can see. But this is what it looks like. And if you notice in the picture at the beginning of the video, I was doing it on my sister, so you can obviously tell it looks a lot better. But this is a French twist. I mean, not a French twist. This is a waterfall twist. If you'd like to know how to do a French twist, comment below. And please like and subscribe to me so I can do more of these. Oh, and I also might start doing makeup tutorials too. Thanks.